Hi there, my name is Karen Reynolds and I am an acupuncturist and registered nurse located in Corte Madera, California. And this edition of Ask the Expert is about alkalinized water and how alkalinized water might be helpful for your system. So there are some controversies about alkalinized water, and I'm not here as a proponent yes or no, but I do want to give you some information so that you might do some research on your own to determine if it might be helpful for your body. So alkalinized water in nature, natural alkalinity in water happens when water passes over stones, like water rolling down rocks in a stream, and it picks up minerals on the way. And it is very good for the body, not only for the alkalinity, but for the mineral content that it has. So you will always see in grocery stores and health food stores these days ionized or alkalinized water. And that is made by a chemical process, but it separates the minerals from the water content. So there is some controversy about not drinking mineralized water, and is that truly beneficial for your body? The reality is our bodies function best at a pH somewhere in the blood, pH somewhere between 7.35 to 7.45. Sometimes our bodies get far more acidic if we are struggling with infections or disease or post-trauma. And so it would benefit the body to give it more nutrients that are neutral or alkaline to work with, as opposed to adding to acidity. So some ways that you can naturally create alkalinized water as opposed to purchasing it or purchasing an expensive alkalinizing machine: you can put a squeeze of lemon or lime into your water, or the lemon rind into your drinking water. Now, you may be saying to yourself, isn't that acidic? Isn't the juice acidic? It actually is acidic. However, because it has so many minerals in it, it changes the composition of the water, and it does make it more alkaline. The other way that you can create your own alkalinized water is you can peel a cucumber at night, discard the skin, chop it up, plop it into some water. Usually maybe a 2-quart large bowl of water is effective, and put it in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, pull the cucumbers out, and you will have created an alkalinized water roughly around a pH of 8.8. It's best to only keep it in the fridge for a couple days, drink it within a couple days, and definitely pull the cucumbers out, because if they begin to ferment, not only will the water taste bad, but then it becomes acidic again. So I invite you to do some research on your own about the pros and cons of alkalinized water. I do believe it does have some benefit for your body chemically, and this has been your Ask the Expert topic for today. Thank you so much, and be well.